What's up, you guys? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. Your girl is busy. Just got off another consultation for MTSS. You guys probably used to this by now. But your girl is going to start her day with work. I have a meeting at 1. We're going to get this day started. So I hope everybody is having a wonderful day whenever you're watching this vlog. Make sure to like this vlog if you enjoy it. If you're enjoying this Vlogmas so far. And yeah. This month is going fast so far, guys. It's going really fast. But we're going to have some fun. So I'll see you guys soon. Zara. Hey, mama. Hey, mama. Hey, mama. Okay, guys, so I finally got some food, so I'm gonna eat that. And yeah, this is pretty much the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Even though your girl still didn't go to Walmart, I will be going tomorrow. I promise you that. Good afternoon / evening. It's evening now, guys. I've been super tired. I've been in the bed the whole day, which is why I haven't filmed part of the vlog today. But what's up, guys? Hope you are enjoying this Vlogmas. I am about to get up 2 videos right now. Vlogmas from yesterday and also a Q&A video. So this Q&A is part 1 of 2. So make sure to go show your girl love if you haven't checked that out. Your girl woke up late, so yeah. I don't even know if I'm gonna take out my hair today. I'm gonna take out my butterfly locks. Even though they still look good, I'm gonna take them out hopefully today, but we'll see how that goes. But let me do this editing and stuff. Well, I already edited my Q&A video, so I just have to do the SEO for it. And then the vlog videos, but I still have to edit. So I think I'm gonna edit the vlog video and then just do the SEO for both of them at the same time and get it up. So yeah, I'm gonna check in with you guys later. I think I'm gonna go to Walmart today for sure. I know I said I would, so most likely will. All right, guys, I look a mess. I'll check in with you later because it ain't that many hours left for the day, but we're gonna try to get as much footage as we can. What's up, guys? So your girl finally has her kit. Yes, praise is all good now. So I got this one right here. Let me know if you guys want an unboxing of this. Put that in the comment section down below. But I got this from Walmart for $39.88. And it comes with a 50 LED light, right? 50 LED light, 3 color diffusers, a microphone, a tripod with remote, a bracket, and a phone and action cam mount. So when I get a camera, I'll be able to use this for vlogging. I'm so freaking happy. And not only that, I can have it held, right? This is a lot of arm shrimps too. I thought this was gonna relieve some arm shrimp for you, girl, but okay, guys. So I'm about to head to bed soon, eat some dessert, and yeah, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.